Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to speak directly to the mom who is wondering if she's doing enough. Maybe you've spent the whole day feeding your baby, pumping, washing bottles, changing diapers, and trying to keep up with everything else. At the end of the day, you still find yourself asking, did I do enough? The truth is that motherhood isn't measured by a perfect schedule or a perfectly clean house. It isn't measured by how much milk you pumped today or how many tasks you completed. Some days will go exactly as planned, while others will be full of unexpected changes. Babies have their own needs, and every day brings something new. It's easy to compare yourself with other mothers or with what you see online. But every family is different, and every mother's journey is unique. Remember to notice the little things you've already done today. You comforted your baby, met their needs, and showed up with love and patience. Those moments matter more than you may realize. Taking care of yourself is important too. Eating nourishing meals, staying hydrated, resting when you can, and asking for support are all part of caring for your family. You don't have to be perfect to be a wonderful mother. Your baby doesn't need perfection. They need your love, your care, and your presence. As time goes on, you'll gain confidence, and many of the things that feel difficult today will become part of your everyday routine. So if you're wondering whether you're doing enough, remember this: showing up every day with love, even on the hardest days, is more than enough. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.